trading rain, and so which way ordained by grace shall fate he slain upon the altar. Oh, what have we to give once coin and toil have been expended? For naught have we to live if plots of soil to be lamented. Are the unascended end to whence our mortal coil is wended? The rested dead are spoiled, not with the spoils we are intended. But flesh bequeathed freely grants a life that I have purpose. In death a deeper meaning, everlasting pious service. Sowing seeds for seeds are reaping, stars that I know who's the first. You all decided to convert, so tell me why is it nervous? The other has been painted now, just satiate the beast. You change he waits beneath and how he craves to be released. We celebrate in blessed flames, or pray and take a seat, and pledge unto their name that you'll be bladed at the feet. Let your faith remain unshaken in our monastery's beliefs. You've no claim to consecration when there's coffers to be greased. Faithful to your deity, their prophecy and priest. For the sheep may be the shepherd, but the flock is being fleeced.
Sheep in the dark of the woods where secrets sleep.
She said he who was painted, took the ferocious entrance seek.